New to sewing? Let's take a look at the best baby lock machines to get you started. What I like most about the Jubilant is the ease of sewing. The thread path is marked, the bobbin drops right in, and you're sewing in minutes. No stress, no fuss. Plus, we all love a needle threader and the speed control that slows your rate of stitching. What I love most about the Flair is how easy it is to get your first embroidery project going. Easily access and edit designs and fonts all in one place. Hoop size is everything when it comes to embroidery, and the Flair has both a 5x7 hoop and a 6x10 hoop, so you can enjoy stitching bigger embroidery patterns and enjoy less rehooping. The Flair is even Wi-Fi enabled, so you can transfer designs straight from your computer. What I love most about the Celebrate is the jet air threading on those loopers. No more wasting time making sure you have your serger threaded correctly. The Celebrate also has easy to use adjustable tensions so that you can stitch more than just your standard 4-thread overlock. You can even create a narrow hem stitch. The Celebrate even has the needed power and presser foot height to sew through materials like denim. That's our pick of beginner-friendly baby locks, the best way to kick off your sewing journey.